Good morning. How is everybody doing today? Happy Friday. I'm here today to share with you this gorgeous digital kit that my friend Patrice designed, and I'm going to put her link in the description box, and y'all need to go and check out her shop. She has some gorgeous digitals, and y'all need to go and give her a follow and keep up with what she's making because she does some beautiful work. And this is called her, I believe this is the Lady Lavender kit. And so I just wanted to share with you, this is the next project that I'm going to be working on. And this is not a full kit that I've printed. I only printed out, I'm running short on my cardstock, so I only printed out the digitals from this kit that I'm going to be using. So, but y'all need to go check it out and see the ones that that I haven't printed, because it's a big kit and they're beautiful. So I'm going to go through these pages and just give you a share. These are so pretty. The details in the lady's face and the flowers and everything is so beautiful. So I'm just going to give you a quick share here. I love the flowers. They're all so pretty. Hope everybody's having a good Friday. I'm excited for the weekend. I have still been doing cleaning and destashing on my craft room, and I have narrowed things down, thank goodness, and I appreciate all of you who have made purchases from my destash. This is getting into some of the background pages here. They're so pretty. I love the lavender and purple. I love them. They're so pretty together, and that touch of yellow, or the it's not really yellow, maybe an ivory color. So pretty together. Although I do like yellow and lavender together. Those colors are pretty too. Love all these background papers. Be so fun to create with these. I'm excited to start a new project. Some of these I did double side, and I forgot to mention that. Let me see which ones I double sided. This one. Nope, this way. Look at that archway. Isn't that gorgeous? So I backed that onto this one. Sorry about that, y'all. These are gorgeous. Yeah, this is the other one that I backed. Look at that archway. Isn't that so pretty? I just love that. It's just so pretty. Let's see, I think I showed that one. Then we have this one. This one that you can journal on is so pretty with the lavender. And this is getting into some of the ephemera pieces. Look at these gorgeous portraits of these ladies. And I love these little hearts with the lavender. They're so pretty. And this one. I love all of it. Love the butterflies. So pretty. Here we have a couple of pockets, some beautiful images to tuck into the pockets, and a card. I printed that one on paper also. This is on regular paper, copy paper. This is cardstock. So you can kind of see the difference. This one is much thinner. Love this pocket. This is beautiful. Love the way you did the tie or the closure. It's so pretty. Oops. I got me a new little flower pot, y'all, flower basket. And it's so darling. I love it. I love it so much. It's very heavy. Keep it right there. So cute. Yes, I've been shopping again, ladies. I have new goodies coming up. I can't help myself. Look at these beautiful images. Oh, they're so pretty. I can't wait to cut these out and play with them. Love it. So many cuties to tuck into your pockets and play with. And these ladies, they are so beautiful. Like I said, this is just a few. This is not all of the kit. I think it's a good portion of the kit, but there are some that, and like I said, I was running low on my cardstock, so I didn't print the entire kit. But y'all go check out her link. I will put it in the description box, and y'all go check out her shop and get you some of these goodies to play with. And I hope to bring back a project with all of this soon, and I hope you all are doing well, and everybody have a great weekend. Bye, y'all.